Ghanaian government has inaugurated additional distribution centers for Zipline, a leading global instant logistic provider, with the aim of enhancing access to crucial medical supplies through drone medical delivery services throughout the whole of Ghana. The 5th and 6th distribution hubs for Zipline Ghana have been activated in Anamam and Keta Karachi to complement existing centers in the Omanaka and Panyanga for BC and Safiso Wiaso areas. These centers cater to all healthcare facilities within the Afran Plain regions and various remote communities, ensuring comprehensive national cover. The established distribution hubs play a crucial role in supporting Ghana's pursuit of universal healthcare coverage. Furthermore, Zipline plans to initiate home delivery services, capitalizing on the nation's digitalization efforts to fortify a robust healthcare system that facilitates prompt and accessible medical care regardless of your geographical locations. Having collaborated with Ghana since 2019, Zipline has been actively involved in a drone delivery program for medical supplies, serving communities, especially those facing infrastructural challenges, being in remote, hard-to-reach areas. Operating 30 drones across 4 distribution centers in Ghana, Zipline facilitates the daily distribution of vaccines, blood, life-saving medicines to facilitate 2,000 health facilities nationwide. With over 2 million deliveries to date, including essential supplies, as I said, blood, anti-venom, PPEs, Zipline Ghana has played a pivotal role in saving numerous lives. The initiative has also generated over 300 high-quality jobs nationwide, with the importance being that with the distribution centers entirely staffed 100% by Ghanaians. So it is run by Ghanaians and it is serviced by Ghanaians, which is very, very important with industrializing the country and the people within the country giving the power to the Ghanaians, which is very, very crucial. Nana Doko Yorson, the country manager of Zipline Ghana, revealed that the Anam and Keta Karachi distribution centers had collectively distributed approximately 200,000 units of critical medical supplies between December 2021 and December 2022. President Akufo-Addo highlighted the impactful partnership in a State of a Nation speech he gave a few months ago in March 2023, acknowledging Zipline's contributions to the country's healthcare sector and that the collaboration has revolutionized healthcare delivery in Ghana, with now 6 distribution centers being up and running and forming the world, not just the country, the world's most extensive aerial logistic delivery network, which is very, very a proud moment for the Ghanaians. During his address, President Akufo-Addo added and emphasized that the Zipline drone delivery service is firmly established and the country now has 6 centers, making Ghana the largest drone delivery network in the world, as we stated. And by the end of 2022, Zipline had delivered more than 14.8 million units of life-saving medicines, vaccines, blood products throughout the region, with childhood vaccines comprising 8.3 million of those doses. Ghana's success in minimizing vaccine expiry and wastage, particularly in remote area, has gained global recognition. If you just go and type in drone delivery services, you can see all the accreditations, all the awards, and just how proud everyone is of this project. It was awarded the Award for Corporate Excellence in Healthcare Security from the US Secretary of State for its innovative use of drone technology to deliver medical supplies in African communities. Ghana's achievement with Zipline drone delivery services has set a precedent, inspiring other African nations to adopt similar systems to enhance their healthcare delivery services and infrastructure. Since its launch in Ghana in 2019, it has expanded its operations into Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, Japan, and even the USA, further solidifying Ghana's role as a pioneer in leveraging innovative technologies for betterment and better quality supplying to the citizens and improving their lives. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. We're just going to keep on continuing showcasing the good that Africa is doing, showcasing Ghana, and little by little, each and every single day, getting better together, growing together, and just spreading positivity in the world. Due to there being so much negativity, let's just keep on spreading the positivity. Let's keep on spreading the independence Ghana is gaining and the development not only of Ghana but in the whole of Africa. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash that subscribe button. Let's just keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving little by little each and every single day while achieving our goals. And I'll see you all next week for the next video.